can use them! You think that did it? Well, he can fly. Okay, Toothless. Time to disappear. Come on, bud. Here it comes! Time's up. Let's see if this works. Come on! Do the best you can do! Stay with me, buddy. We're good. Just a little bit longer. Hold, Toothless. Now! No! Challenging the Alpha to protect you.
No! Fight back! Fight! Fight! What's the matter with you?
Now do you get it? This is what it is to earn a dragon's loyalty. Let this end now.
Never! Come on!
The Alpha protects them all. Oh, there were great, grim sky dragons that nested on the cliff tops like gigantic, scary birds. Little brown scuttly dragons that hunted down the mice and rats in well-organized packs. Preposterously huge sea dragons that were 20 times as big as the big blue whale. Some say they crawled back into the sea, leaving not a bone nor a fang for men to remember them by. Others say they were nothing but folktales to begin with. I'm okay with that. Hey there, bud. Remember me?
It's okay.
Hey, I am glad to see you too, bud.
He's not gonna eat your father.
How's the tail holding up? Oh, could use some oil and a little fine tuning?
Look, it's okay. They're friends.
Here,
Go on. It's all right.
come. He won't hurt you. Hold your hands out. Like this. That's it. Let him come to you. Legend says that when the ground quakes or lava spews from the earth, it's the dragons, letting us know they're still here, waiting for us to figure out how to get along. Yes, the world believes the dragons are gone, if they ever existed at all. But we Burkians, we know otherwise. And we'll guard the secret until the time comes when dragons can return in peace.